Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 12, some special types of integration. Part 1. Exercise 8.2, that is ML Agarwal's book. ISC, CBSE, West Bengal Board and JEE and IIT, all of you, you may take lesson from this part. Now please pay your attention on the board. First, we have to remember there are 20 types of such equation. One by one, I will show you today. First part, integration dx by ax square plus bx plus c when a not equal to 0. Working rule, that is this we have to bring this form. A, that is coefficient of x square, that will be common, and that we have to write a by a, that is number, constant number will come outside of integration, then it will be x plus p whole square plus q square, or x plus p whole square minus q square when a greater than 0. And if a less than 0, then 1 by a dx q square minus x plus p whole square. This frame you have to remember. Now if you follow the example, that is sum, then it will be clear. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book, exercise 8.2, sum number 2, part 1. Evaluate the following integrals. This solution. Please pay your attention on the solution. After writing the sum, we have to bring the frame, that is square. This is why x square minus 2 into x, here is 6x, so naturally here will be 3. Then 3 square plus 13, but 3 square we are adding, 3 square means 9, that we have to subtract. Now x square minus 2x into 3 plus 3 square, that is x square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x minus 3 whole square, and this 13 minus 9, 13 minus 9, that is 4, so plus 4 square. Now we are getting the frame of formula. Before observing this, there are formulas on CA Foundation course on standard type of integration. That video you must observe. There you will get the formula. This type of formula you will get there. Now putting x minus 3 equal to t, then differentiation dx equal to dt. Now in place of dx we are writing dt. In place of x minus 3 we are writing t, so t square plus 2 square. Now we are getting the frame of formula, that is dx by x square plus a square. That is by applying the formula, in place of a, here is 2 square. This is why 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2. Value of t, that is x minus 3. So in place of t we have to put the value, that is x minus 3 by 2. So naturally answer will be half tan inverse x minus 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. If you follow that step and if you remember the formula, then easily it will be clear. Next sum. Sums given from R.D. Sharma's book. Evaluate this solution. Sum is written here clearly. After writing the sum, we have to simplify. That is x to the power 4 dx, x to the power 5. In place of x, we are writing x to the power 5. And for balancing, we are writing x to the power 4. So by cancellation, naturally it will be x. And to get the frame of formula, or for the sake of solution, we are doing this. Putting x plus x to the power 5 plus 1 equal to t. What we are putting, that we have to differentiate. By differentiating this, that is 5x to the power 5 minus 1 dx equal to dt. So x to the power 4 dx equal to dt by 5. This 5 we are taking from right side to left side to right side, and x plus 1 equal to t. So x to the power 5 equal to this one we are taking right side to left side. So naturally it will be minus t minus 1. Now we have to put the value that is in place of x to the power 4 dx, x to the power 4 dx, x to the power 4 dx, that is we may write dt by 5, dt by 5 in place of this, x to the power 5 into x to the power 5 plus 1, x to the power 5 plus 1, that is t, and x to the power 5 equal to t minus 1. So in place of x to the power 5 we are writing t minus 1, and for this we are writing t. Now by multiplying we are getting this 5. This 5 will come outside of the integration, that is the constant term. Then by simplifying we are getting t square minus t. This is not exactly in the frame of formula, that we have to bring in the frame of formula. For that what we are doing, that is dt, this is t square, to get a frame 2 into t, and 2 here is only minus t. To balance it we are taking half, and when we are taking half then it will be b square, that is half whole square, and this half whole square, that means 1 by 4, not given in the sum. This is why this we have to subtract, that is minus 1 by 4. I think it is clear. Now this is equal to t minus half whole square, and this we may write 1 by 2 whole square, x square minus a square. 5, that is 1 by 5 will come outside, and this is by applying formula, that is x square minus x square. That formula you will get in that video. You must observe that video, standard form of integration. And by applying the formula, that is 1 by 2a. In place of a, here is half, so 2 into half log x minus a. In place of x, that is 2 minus half, or in place of a, that is minus half. X minus a by x plus a, that is t minus half plus half plus c. Now we have to simplify, that is minus half, that is minus 1, and minus half plus minus half, that will be cancelled, so it will be t plus c. Now we have to put the value of t. So log x to the t minus 1, t minus 1 equal to x to the power 5, and value of t, that is x to the power 5 plus 1. So in place of t we have to put the value of t, putting then plus c, and this is the answer. And you may write this in bracket or may not, but up to this if you do, then it will be correct. Sum is completed. I think easy, but you have to remember the formula. If you confused in formula, then you may not get the, you may be the confused. So next time we will try to give more this type of sum. Okay, thank you everybody.